everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my 3 favorite at-home Korean barbecue pork belly marinades. Making Korean barbecue at home is much cheaper than eating out, and it's much easier than you'd think. So let's get started. The first marinade we'll be making is our spicy gochujang pork belly. Add gochugaru, sugar, 2 cloves minced garlic, soy sauce, mirin, gochujang, and honey to a bowl. Mix together. Add 1/3 of your pork belly to the marinade and coat with your hands. Drizzle with sesame oil and then mix again. We're going to set this aside while we make our soy garlic marinade. Add soy sauce, plum extract, minced garlic and ginger, and honey to a bowl and mix. Add 1/3 of your pork belly to the marinade and mix. Set this aside and let's get started on our red wine pork belly. Add red wine, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and honey to a small saucepan and heat over medium heat. Stir together and allow to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until slightly reduced. Remove from heat, allow to cool, and then we're going to pour this over our remaining pork belly. Cover your pork belly and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes and up to overnight. Now we're ready to grill. I'm going to be using a tabletop grill I bought at the Korean market, but you can use a pan or outdoor grill as well. I served my pork belly with lettuce, perilla leaves, green onion salad, kimchi, samjang, and gochujang. Heat up your grill pan and add your pork belly. I like to add sliced garlic, mushrooms, and kimchi to the grill as well. Grill your pork belly and flip once the bottom is crisp. We're going to let both sides crisp up and then cut with some scissors. When the pork is done, you can eat with rice, wrapped in lettuce and perilla leaves, or just by itself. I usually don't eat rice with my Korean barbecue, just so I can make some more room for meat. I love making wraps with my Korean barbecue, and also love eating with green onion salad. Enjoy!